Hey, I'm Nehemiah, and boy do I have a story for you. Picture this. I'm living it up in Persia, working for the king, when I hear my hometown Jerusalem is a total wreck. I'm talking walls crumbling, gates burned. It's like a post-apocalyptic movie set. And I'm not just some random dude. I'm the king's cupbearer. That's like being his personal barista and food taster rolled into one. So I'm like, I gotta do something about this. But how? I take a deep breath and ask the king, can I go fix up Jerusalem? Surprise, surprise, he says yes. Talk about a plot twist. He even gives me letters of safe passage and permission to use timber from the royal forest, given the VIP treatment. So I pack my bags and head out. Jerusalem, here I come. The journey's no joke. It's like a road trip, but with camels and the constant threat of bandits. But I knew God was with me, so I kept going, and going, and going. But when I get there, it's worse than I thought. And some folks aren't too happy to see me. They're all like, who does this guy think he is? I'm talking about Sanballat the Horonite and Tobiah the Ammonite. These guys are like the school bullies of the ancient world. But I'm not about to let some haters stop me. We start rebuilding, and it's tough. We're working with one hand, holding weapons in the other. Talk about multitasking. Our enemies try everything to stop us. Mockery, threats, even plots to attack us. But we stay ready. We're like ancient ninjas, always on guard. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months. It's like the world's biggest jigsaw puzzle. And it's not just about bricks and mortar. We're rebuilding people's hope, their faith. I even have to deal with some internal issues. Some rich folks are exploiting the poor. Not cool, guys. So I call them out. I'm like, we're supposed to be rebuilding, not tearing each other down. And then, finally, after all the blood, sweat and tears, we did it. The walls are up. The gates are set. Jerusalem's got its groove back. We did it in just 52 days. That's less time than it takes most people to finish a Netflix series. But the story doesn't end there. We still had to get our act together as a community. It's like I became the ultimate life coach, helping people reconnect with their faith and values. We had this big gathering where Ezra, the resident Bible expert, read out the law. And get this, people were so moved they started crying. It was like a spiritual revival. We celebrated the Feast of Tabernacles, which is like a week-long camping trip to remember our history. Then we all made a pact to follow God's laws. It was like signing the world's most important contract. We sorted out who would live in the city and who in the surrounding areas, urban planning, ancient style. In the end, we didn't just rebuild a city, we rebuilt ourselves. We went from a bunch of scattered, discouraged people to a united, faith-filled community. And me? I went from being a cupbearer to a leader, a builder, and a reformer. So next time you're facing a big challenge, remember my story. With faith in God, determination, and a little elbow grease, you can rebuild anything. Whether it's a city wall or your own life, don't be afraid to start that reconstruction project. Every great change starts with a single step, or in my case, a single brick. Turn to God. He is there for you. This is Nehemiah signing off. Stay faithful and keep building.